Good day, everyone. It's Simon from SCI, Sierra Chart Indicators.com. Ending September, today is September 30th. Um, Ending September with 2,770 pips or ticks in trade calls that I made for members. This is an example. A couple of days ago, I made a short call on the NASDAQ. This is, I'm using in this case NAS 100, which is exactly as the NASDAQ in the futures market. NAS 100, it's a CFD traded in the spot market, similar to the pound. If you're trading the pound in the futures market, you know there's a pound US in the forex market. So same idea. Might not be available for you if you are an American, but these are traded throughout the world. In England, they call these spread betting. So regardless, you could. I have members who took the same call, but in the futures market. The pricing would be a little bit different, but the volume profile, the indicators, and the movement is exactly the same. Um, Tick for pip, exactly the same. So I'm calling the trade. I'm telling everybody there is a stop loss at 11. Which you see here 11480. That is the stop loss. I call the short. Very straightforward, folks. If I show you this, I call the short, and I tell everybody this was not only uh, typed with to the members on the Telegram channel, which is under indices. Indices would be the Nasdaq, the ES or E-mini S&P, which is also US 30. SPX 500 or the Dow US 30, etc. And we have the forex channel. We have the metals like gold and silver. We have oil and nat gas, etc. But this was typed and also sharing uh, um, snapshots. So I call the trade. I tell them the exact stop. I tell them the profit, first target, second target. And you notice if I go back to this, I was fast forwarding. If you notice here, this person, Hermes, a member of mine, took the trade at 538. You will notice later on that this 538 was the Nasdaq futures market from the very top, and I will show you. So this trade alone goes for 1,000 ticks combined between the first target and the second target. And I get in here and I tell members I'm in, and I tell them the stop loss. So we take first target, and I see see referring to first target here. First target would be around 50, in this case 50 ticks or pips. So first target alone gave us 50 or 45 or 60, whatever the case might be for your entry on two contracts, because we do three contracts. That alone gave us a cushion of at least 100 pips or ticks, and then we take our time with moving the stop. So if you see this, nice trade at one point after taking first target, and I'm showing also members how this is gonna be going against us here if we break these two power lines is part of the indicators that we offer. So if we break those, there's more to come in the downside, and the market continues, and I tell them there is a target here and there's another target lower of this break. So we continue. At one point, let me see here. Now, at one point, at one point, there was about 700-800 ticks runner, and we exited the trade. Let me show you. Let me show you the final. See, I keep telling members support is coming up, advising them on what to do, what not to do, and I'm telling them where to move the stop loss, etc. You see, you read the commentary here on the Telegram. There is at that time 155 members. These are members that you can meet if you join us. Here's the at one point I had 127 points on the NAS 100. These are points, not ticks. In terms of ticks, I grabbed the same trade on the futures market. If you notice here, this is where the futures market. This is the futures contract chart for Nasdaq. Notice 538 on top of 537.75. This is what the member entered initially, and let's see here. And this was the same trade in the futures market, and you see the profit at one point near 800 ticks. So basically, folks, in one trade, if I grabbed 1,000 ticks, meaning first target and second target or last target combined, 1,000 ticks. So when we put in our emails or advertisement that we can, we average 1,000 ticks or pip per month, it's not an exaggeration. Technically speaking, I wait for those swing trades, and I know I would call about one or two or maybe three a week. That's all. The rest of the week is teaching, calling, different levels, answering questions. We have a live trade room, etc. So there is a lot of art to this. Hopefully, you will enjoy it once you join us, and hopefully, I will see you soon. Take care, everyone.